Who's scared? This is your order from TMZ for dogs. TMZD. TMZ for dogs. We are live here with Lindsay Lohan. Just kidding, it's me. You want to see her face? Yeah, you scared? Stop running. This is TMZ. You're gonna get puppy love. Why are you running? Dirty little mud. Why are you running from me? You want to be famous? I give you doggy treat. You want doggy treat? Hold on, I give you one right here. Hold on.
No.
We gonna give you some doggy food. Hold on. Find the tree. Find the tree. Hey, baby. You want to eat? Eat now. You don't want to eat? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna beat him up. Hey. Okay, he's better now. Still don't eat? You still don't want to eat? You still don't want to eat? Okay. Okay, he still don't want to eat. Hold on, I gotta end this video. Kill him right now. Nathan!